And this is the city palace of Udaipur.
तो ये आधा टूरिस्ट के लिए आधा उनके लिए है ना खुला हुआ।
ये जो पेड़ दिख रहा है ना ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट,
हाँ
पेड़ के पास वाला जो ऊपर का पार्ट वो उसका रेजिडेंस।
अच्छा,
बाकी ग्राउंड जो बिल्डिंग है ये होटल।
ग्राउंड से आगे सब खुला है।
ग्राउंड वाली जो बिल्डिंग ये होटल है, इसकी नीचे वाला जो नया
तो
बिल्डिंग
कितना बड़ा जगह है, कितना बड़ा जगह है, कितने रूम? हाँ तो ये पीछे क्या है, इधर क्या है आगे?
ये नीचे वाला नया बिल्डिंग दिख रहा है, ये ताज फतेह प्रकाश होटल है।
ये नीचे
And this is the Taj Fateh Prakash Hotel.
पर ये एक बार तो बोला दूसरा इतना बड़ा देखो।
1.5 से 2 घंटे लगते हैं।
तो कितने बजे का खुलना रहता है?
9 से 9, सुबह 9 से रात को।
This is the restaurant of the Taj Lake Palace.
नहीं उधर भी नाश्ता है फ्रंट।
That pink one?
हाँ वो उधर माउंटेन पे क्या है?
वो मानसून पैलेस।
हाँ
मानसून पैलेस।
मानसून पैलेस।
हाँ, सज्जनगढ़ बोलते हैं उसको, सज्जनगढ़ मानसून पैलेस।
That is the Monsoon Palace.
मतलब देख कितना टाइम लगता है?
इसको यहाँ से जाएंगे तो 45 मिनट।
अच्छा, क्या नाम है?
सज्जनगढ़ नाम है और उसको मानसून पैलेस बोलते हैं।
मॉनसून।
मानसून में राजा वहाँ रहते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
वेलकम कार्ड देख के लिए।
दिस इज रॉयल अम्ब्रेला सर, यू रॉयल वेलकम। थैंक यू सो मच सर। जैकेट उतार लीजिए।
अच्छा sure.
Thank you.
I hope you all enjoyed. If you don't mind, can you click a picture of us?
Thank you.
So this place which you see, it's called Gyan Sagar, which means the ocean of knowledge. So when the king used to live there, this was the waiting area for the people whosoever comes to meet the king. They used to wait onto this place. And then we have few games over here, so if you want, you can come and spend your time here as well. And then all this work which you see over here, so this is as old as this palace, which is 279 years old now. So it was directly imported from Belgium called Mozart work, so it has been seen from that time. And then that place which you see, so that was the meeting area. So this was like the waiting area, and then that was for the meeting area. So that place now we have converted as bar called Amrit Sagar. I just want to let you know that. So if you want to have some drinks, you can choose that place also. And then this courtyard which you see, so this is the place where they used to have the dance performance at that time. And now also we are using this place for the same purpose to continue the legacy. So like we do proper sitting arrangement on all the sides, so you can come and take the chair and enjoy for the dance show. It's a very beautiful show. I personally come and recommend you to come and enjoy. Thank you. specialty restaurant called Neel Kamal, which only operates for dinner. It's from 7:30 to 10:30. So if you want to have like proper Rajasthani kind of food, so you can choose this place. It requires a prior reservation as well. So just in case if you want to visit, let me know and get it booked for you.
Okay.
So that's our all-day dining and a multi-cuisine restaurant with no reservation. Whenever you want, you can directly get onto the restaurant. The breakfast would be served over there as well. It's from 6:30 to 10:30. So for breakfast, if you want to use that restaurant. So this is the board that we get to change every year once the board is started. So now it's to 79 years. We get this board changed. So this place, it's like the heart of the palace called Lily Pond. You'll not see lilies over here, but if you'll watch it from upstairs, it's in the shape of open lily. And a very famous movie of James Bond, which is Octopussy, it was shot onto this place only. So in case if you want to watch the movie, we can do the setup in the room, so you'll be remembering you're in the same place. And they see this temple over here. So this was the king's throne at that time. The king used to sit over here, and then whosoever wants to meet the king, they needed to take the dip inside the pond, and then they were allowed to meet the king. And then this was the partition in between. So this side was for the men's, and then that was for the women. So there are a lot of trees, so that women should not be visible to the men. So that's why there were a lot of trees. And there's a terrace upstairs, which is also a very beautiful spot called Vivar Terrace. So for pictures, just in case if you want to visit, you can go and have some pictures over there. And ma'am, like on all the beautiful spots of the palace, we have marked this kind of cameras on the floor where you will stand, so it will get a beautiful view in the picture. I'll take one for all of you. For Thekri work, this is again a mirror work. So at that time there used to be no lights, so they used to blow the candles and then the lights used to reflect.
Platform mirror.
Yes, so that's why they have used this work. This is called Thekri, which is also, this is again a mirror on marble.
इधर खड़े रहे.
These are the original rooms of the kings and queens.
वो बता देगी यही रूम से ऊपर इसमें no views of lake view only pond view
It's 2 photos. So like you can reach to the lobby directly from here also. If you go straight, there are the stairs which will take you directly to the lobby.
Okay.
And then on the back side of your door, if you see, so there is this emergency exit north over there. And then these two doors which you see, so the red one is for do not disturb and the green one is for the cleaning of the room. So if you need, thank you.
अभी व्यू का photos receive not only videos.
Yes, Assam tea.
It is